9136 Indian Breeze. This is part, I believe this is part of the same yard. Okay, so we have tile at the entry, and then it changes to laminate. Walls are white, vinyl blinds. Okay, let's head into the garage. Oh, sorry. Okay. LiftMaster. And vinyl in this bathroom. Install a mirror, change out the light bulbs. There's not rust. It doesn't appear to have rust or anything on the light fixture, so Jenny may be okay with that. So I'll start counting windows. We're at window 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven, and counting this 8. This is nice. So this is the north side of the house, so you don't even really need the patio cover, but we have one. We have the concrete in place, nice and high, and it has a ceiling fan if it works. And then those plants are very low maintenance, just need to be cut back occasionally, and then maybe some rock installed. Maybe touch up paint around the door frame. Okay, the sellers are home, so they will be upstairs, and there are a couple cats. Lots of storage. That goes back and to the right. Oh, and the carpet is brown under there. Okay, let me count the numbers one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're at 7. I believe we're at 7. So starting upstairs, we have 1, 2. We'll get Jenny's call on whether that needs a blind, so I'll just count it for now. So it would be 3. Oh, sorry. Okay, so there's 2 windows in here. So we're at 3, and get some closet doors installed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have vinyl. Replace that light fixture. Sorry.
sure.
Okay.
Couple kids around.
Okay. Hi, kitty. Okay. And in this room we have vinyl. And a large closet.